Welcome to the Interior Lab. I'm Roy, interior designer from TIL. Let me bring you around our new showroom and show you the upcoming trend for interior design. We are foreseeing a trend of dark blue and green in the upcoming year, which explain the choice of colors. Once you enter the showroom, you are welcomed by the jade green mosaic, which forms the passage of the entrance foyer. Various material and texture are used to spice up the interior. For instance, the rustic touch of this rattan, which complements well with this green laminate perfectly. Moving on, we have used metallic detailing such as copper, bronze, gold in our showroom. For example, this is the perforated metal sheet. The egg has the backing of this circular gorgeous granite slab. Other material used is this checkered beveled glass which tessellate with the rattan. Notice the marble vein tiles used as the flooring for the showroom. It matches well with the featured wall to create more cohesive look. We did something quirky and fun for the bathroom. Despite its modern luxe vibe, feel free to take the Insta-worthy shots here. Another special feature of this showroom is the vinyl clad ceiling. Notice how the warm tones such as the vinyl ceiling feature and the timber strip strike the balance between the varied material used. Let me share with you some interior design tips. Home styling is essential to create pin-worthy interior. We have sourced soft furnishing and home decor from all around the world. By coordinating all the smaller components of the space, it helps to ground the overall aesthetics, creating more impactful interior. Another tip is the use of the lights. The light is a functional and essential component. It can be an accent feature that glams up the interior at the same time. So you have a masculine interior that kicks off the next year interior trend. Love to explore our new showroom? Feel free to contact us and I'll show you around.